Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to crack the code of making money online, and you're tired of jumping from one overhyped system to the next, today's video might just be the breath of fresh air you need. I want to talk to you about something that actually makes sense, doesn't require a crazy investment, and is based on a business model that's been proven to work time and time again. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, but with a twist that takes it to the next level. Now, if you've dabbled in affiliate marketing before, you already know the basics. You promote someone else's product using your own unique link, and when someone buys through that link, you get paid a commission. It's simple, right? You don't have to create a product, deal with customer service, manage inventory, or worry about tech support. All you do is share a product you believe in, and if someone buys, you earn. But here's the thing. Most people get stuck in the trap of promoting products that only pay once. You hustle to send traffic to an offer, make a sale, and then that's it. You have to start the whole process over again just to earn the same amount next month. It becomes a never-ending cycle. One missed week of traffic and your income drops. That's not passive income. That's just another job with no real freedom. This is where affiliate Rebill Riches 7.0 comes in. I picked this up recently and I have to say I was genuinely impressed. What this product does is pretty brilliant. It compiles over 200 recurring commission affiliate programs that are fully updated for this year, all organized into 17 popular niches. These are all ClickBank products, which means they're beginner-friendly, no approval headaches, and they're reliable when it comes to payments. What sets this apart is the focus on recurring commissions. Instead of promoting a one-time product where you only get paid once, you promote products that offer monthly subscriptions or lifetime commissions. That means you can promote it once and keep getting paid month after month. And let me tell you, that makes a huge difference. Think about it like this. Whether you promote a one-time offer or a recurring one, the effort is the same. You're creating the same content, sending the same traffic, and doing the same outreach. But the difference in results is massive. With recurring commissions, your income builds over time. You can actually take a break without seeing your commissions dry up. Inside Affiliate Rebill Riches, you get all the info you need for each program. Product names, average earnings per conversion, descriptions, affiliate tools, links. Everything is neatly organized and ready to go. And these aren't random low-quality products either. Each one has been manually reviewed, and the average earnings across the board are seriously impressive. The average commission per conversion is over $200, with the top product offering more than $1,000 on average for every sale. That's not hype. That's real affiliate income potential if you pick the right products and take consistent action. What I really liked is how this takes away the guesswork. If you've ever tried searching for recurring products on your own, you know it's a pain. Marketplace filters don't help much, links are outdated, and you waste hours researching. This product saves you all that time. And the bonuses? Also worth mentioning. You get a video training course that teaches you real affiliate strategies, not just fluff. Things like launch piggybacking, content strategies, automation tips, really useful if you're serious about making this work. There's also a Rolodex of affiliate programs outside of ClickBank, which is great if you want to diversify. Plus, there's a step-by-step content creation guide to help you write content that actually converts without being pushy. All in all, for the price, which is honestly less than what I usually spend on lunch, this is a total no-brainer if you're even slightly interested in affiliate marketing, especially if you're someone who wants to build a real income stream that grows over time and gives you more freedom, not less. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you all. If you've been spinning your wheels with one-time commissions and you're ready to start working smarter, not harder, Affiliate Rebill Riches 7.0 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this, go ahead and drop a like, maybe leave a comment letting me know your biggest struggle with affiliate marketing. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.